No longer shunned from the kitchen, white marble is increasingly used for countertops. It offers a warm, classic look unparalleled by other stones and color ranges. Also, there is a long history of white marble quarries and usage in both Italy and the United States, which you are a part of when you select white marble. White marble has a long and proud history in Italy, an industry that started over 2,000 years ago. It is part of the Italian culture. The quarries are located in the Apuan mountain range, rich in white, world-famous Carrara marble, which reaches approximately 6,500 feet. Originally extracted using chisels and power explosives, these quarries now utilize every modern technology available. Italians have long used white marble in every application, from architecture to art. As countertops, windowsills, door jambs, and curbs, its use is abundant. Marble from the Apuan Mountains was even used by Michelangelo to sculpt his masterpieces, and the great artist himself worked in the quarries for a short time. Given their long relationship with the stone, Italians understand and appreciate the variety in veining and movement, as well as how the stone changes due to usage, which adds to its depth and character. In the United States, white marble has been quarried for over 100 years. The renowned Danby Marble Quarry is located in Vermont. Marble from this quarry stands alone when it comes to performance, beauty, excellence, and durability in North America. It has been used in the construction of many notable projects, including the Lincoln Memorial, Arlington National Cemetery, and numerous state capitol buildings. The increase in popularity of white marble is partly due to a better understanding of the stone, the beauty of it, and the reality of caring for it. If you're looking for a durable, elegant countertop that will last a long time with proper maintenance, marble is an excellent choice. It is very hard, durable stone. It's recommended that it be sealed when installed and resealed every 6 months. Wiping a marble countertop with a damp cloth will keep it clean. Cleaning up spills quickly will minimize any beauty marks caused by usage. Will it stain, etch, and scratch? Potentially, yes. There are products to remove stains, but you can use mats or coasters to eliminate them from occurring. Additionally, a honed marble versus polished is easier to maintain yourself. Using a poultice will remove most stains. You may choose to have your marble professionally buffed or polished periodically, or you may wish to leave any marks to add to the stone's natural patina. Marble is an exquisite stone that embodies the beauty of nature. With its beautiful veining and patterns, it is sure to capture attention in any application. Arizona Tile offers a variety of white marble in slab format, 2 cm and 3 cm thickness, plus polished and honed finishes, as well as tile. Be sure to stop by an Arizona Tile location near you to view all of our marble products. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more information about our products. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter for even more inspiration.